Before I do anything, Jamaica, I want to say a very special good morning to Deborah Taylor, all right? The wine lady, the only wine lady. I love you so much. We love you here on Smile Jamaica. Have a great day today. Today is a good day, not only because some great people are born, but because today is International Micro, Small and Medium-Sized Enterprises Day. And we'll hear the plans after the break. But on that note, it's time to kick it off with the Chief Executive Officer of Dolla Financial Services, Kadeen Mayers. Good morning, Kadeen.
Good morning, Empress.
How are ya?
I am doing great.
Me need a dollar.
No problem.
How me can get this dollar from Dolla Financial Services?
Well, of course, once there's a need, you can come into Dolla Financial, sit with us. We'll see how we can assist you.
Tell us about your products and services, sir.
Well,
as a microfinance company.
Dolla Financial, well, we provide financial services, but mainly what we provide is access to credit or microfinancing as we know it. So we provide credit to persons in the microfinance industry as well as small and medium-sized enterprises. As you know, today is International Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Day.
Yes.
So today we really want to highlight the importance and the development of the country that these enterprises play.
Yeah. Well, when we're talking about those enterprises, we're looking at enterprises that employ under 250 people. And we need to boost our economy. If we don't boost that sector, we're not going to boost the economy. So tell me some of the loan products. I want to look at it as a micro business, as a small business, a medium. Tell us the products that you have that would apply to me. Let's start from micro going up.
Okay, so our main product is the microfunder, and this is really for persons who fall a part of the micro sector. And these persons are part of more of the informal sector of Jamaica. They're referred to as unbankable, but what this means really is that they don't have access to traditional banking services. So we can offer services to them and give them access to financing.
Give me an idea. Who are these unbankable? Like, give me an idea.
Unbankable persons go from the guy who jerks chicken, a taxi driver, those persons who are more a part of the informal sector. I guess they're regarded as informal because they don't have any formal ways of doing their business. They don't keep proper records. So when they go to the bank to get a loan, the bank wants to see credit history, they want to see banking history, and they don't have this information to provide, hence they can't access credit. So this is where Dolla Financial really comes in.
So you come to Dolla. How much can I borrow from Dolla as an unbankable?
As an unbankable? Right. Well, as mentioned, we have three different categories. We have micro, small, and medium, right? So in the micro sector, what we can provide up to $1 million. Up to small and medium size, we go up to 4 million, and sometimes above 4 million, depending on the need.
Okay.
So a good thing with us is that we're not fixed in stone. So what we've done recently as well is that we have raised money specifically for the needs of small, medium, and small enterprises. So recently,
micro, small, and medium.
Yeah. So recently, what we've done is that we've registered with the FSC exempt distribution. So what this is like a private placement. So we raise funds for specific needs. So we've raised we're in the process of raising 125 million with an upsize of 250 million, and a lot of this will be allocated to the MSME. Right?
The MSME. So the FSC, the Financial Services Commission. Right. So this thing is legit.
Yeah.
And you're raising funds.
Right.
And that is to meet the demands,
right.
As you mentioned, of the sector. So you have 4 loan products.
Right.
What is the dollar value payroll?
Well, that's really for persons who, to make it easily understandable, so people who have a 9-to-5.
Okay.
So these persons sometimes, end up in a position where they have personal expenses. You might be driving to work right before payday and you chop your tire. And you have to wait until payday. What we can do is that we can assist you with any personal expenses during this time until you can get back on your feet.
All right, you hear that, crew? You hear that, crew? You must have time before payday. I call Dolla. All right, and what about Dollar Value Microfunder?
Well, as I said, the microfunder
is specifically for them, for the unbankable, the elite.
Yeah, and the elite is actually for persons who have funds with our sister company, which is Stocks and Securities Limited. So if you have funds on stocks, bonds, or equities, you can actually borrow against your stocks. So you don't have to
it's like a collateral.
liquidate
You
your
kind of got some kind of
exactly.
Okay. So Dolla SME assist.
The
That's
SME
a
assist
small
is where
medium.
we'll assist more of these companies are more in the mature stages of their business, so these are the companies that would want, say, 4 million or more. But one of the things that I want to highlight for this year is that the slogan for this year is International Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Day is youth. It's actually youth dimension. So it's actually highlighting the importance of, bossing the youth them, supporting the youths and giving them an opportunity to start business, because youth are young entrepreneurs led businesses do employ a lot of persons and contribute to the backbone of the economy.
I'm so glad you're saying that, because, Talk Up Youth and United Nations Democracy Fund did a survey last year, baseline survey. And in most of the parishes, the results will show you that one of the major issues affecting young people, according to them, is lack of job opportunities, as they would say.
Right.
And I really look at it, and we're looking at the employment rate with young people, and it's not very promising. So we need to focus on encouraging them. And you look very young yourself. I don't want to ask you your age, but my God, as a CEO...
I just look young because I went to the bar.
You went to the bar? You sure?
Yeah.
You reached 30? I mean, as I watch your age, but I'm saying this is actually very promising to see somebody so young as a CEO of a microfinancing company like this. You understand the needs as a young man.
One of the things that I want.
Are you over 30? Under 30? You're not telling us your age?
No.
All right, I mean, but you understand the needs of young people. How do we access Dolla? How do we start the conversation, and how long does it take for us to receive one of these loans?
Well, basically, what you can do, you can easily reach out to us on a social. We're on all social media platforms. You can search for us at Dolla Financial. You can always email us, info@Dolla Financial, and the Dolla is DOLLA.
Is that because of our Jamaican?
Yeah, it's a bit derived from our
our language, our dialect.
Yeah, our dialect.
Patois.
Yes.
All right. So, so the email again?
You can email us at info@dollafinancial.com. You can also call us at 927-4881. Also, our sister company, Stocks and Securities Limited, if you're more on the investment side, you can reach out to our broker if you want to contribute to this sector.
And this is not just for Kingstonians, is it?
No. So actually, I live in Montego Bay.
All right. So anybody.
It's anybody.
From Jamaica. Can call and hopefully be able to access something to kickstart. So youth, if you have a great idea, call in and see how this can help to boost your idea, to build some industry, build some sector, and just build your own lives and community. It's a great day. And Dolla, Mr. Dolla Financial Services, our CEO, looking young because he shaved this morning, Kadeen Mayers. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me, Empress.
And have a great day. Hopefully
you
you'll be able to boost some micro, small, and medium enterprises
Definitely.
today. All right.
Thanks for having me.
We need $1 million a year.
No problem.
All right, cool. And how much you want? We're going to take a break. We're going to work out how much your team needs, all right? How much you need, Londi? We say we have to take a break. We have to talk dollar business now.